Page 127. Dona Nobis Pacem. Pacem. I'm sure. I'll speak Latin or whatever that is. Now the first thing you do on these, of course, is make sure you can play the melody. You got enough to think about with the chords. The melody needs to be there. So it's here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Did I mention it's in 3/4 time? It is. Then reach up and 5th finger, and then 4th finger, and then reach up to go up here. 2, 1, 3. Then reach up. 2, 3. Then 5th finger. So make sure you can play the melody before you start trying to do this other stuff, because you got enough to think about. In the left hand, we want to use the C, but the right hand needs the note. So, and then again, we want the C, but the right hand needs that note. So we don't use it. Then B flat. Now an F. Now a C7 and an F. Next line, 5th finger, F, C7, F, C7, B flat, F, C7, F. So you work those out till you get the hang of what's going on here. And the bottom, they give you the same melody, but now it's a different pattern. Instead of block chords, now we're going to use broken chords. And at the beginning we can use the C in the left hand this time, because we're not using it at the same time the right hand is using it. That's just, it's a little awkward. You can, if you want, leave out the C on the first time on the second beat of the measure. So it's like so. I'll leave that to you. And then the next one is an F chord, C7, B flat, F, C7, F, then second line, F chord, C7, F, C7, B flat, F, C7. Another pattern you can use that's commonly used is just that. One note at a time in the chord. So you work, that's another pattern you can use. It's up to you, you're doing it. You don't even have to play 8th notes. You can, you like dotted rhythms? They're fun, huh? Change the rhythm. Experiment, explore. Have fun with this. You could easily spend a week or more just playing around with this one piece, just all the different possibilities you can do and the different patterns and so forth you can do just in the left hand. If you're really adventurous, then switch it and play this melody in the right hand down below here. Just work out the fingering for it. Then when you have it, then let the right hand do the chords. Experiment. Go back and forth. Play a measure or two in the right, or a phrase in the right hand, melody, and then let the left hand have the melody for a phrase or two. It's up to you and your imagination what you do here.